Hi everyone, Jamie Humphries here and welcome to another lesson where today we're taking a look at You Shook Me All Night Long by AC/DC. Now this song can be found on the band's 1980 album Back in Black and was an incredibly successful single for the band. It's also one of the band's most popular tracks and is said to be one of the greatest rock songs of the 1980s. This song is a great example of the rhythmic interplay heard between Angus and Malcolm Young, and it also features a fantastic solo by Angus Young. Let's kick things off by taking a look at the introduction. I'll play it through for you first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the introduction features two guitar parts going on. I've chosen to look at the Angus Young part. The Malcolm Young part is slightly more rhythmic, but the Angus Young part is the main part that plays that very iconic melodic theme. So we kick things off with this figure on the B and the G strings. Add our little finger on the B. So we have this. Then we play the G string, and then we're going to play the B string and take the finger away. So you're sort of holding almost like a, it's covering a G5 there, but also you could see it as a D sus. So that little figure works over two chords. So start again. There's the little D sus to D move there. Take that second finger away. Then we're down to a D5. We play the minor third on the D string with our second finger and bend that by a quarter tone. And then following on from that quarter tone bend, we play the rest of the chord. Now we have a classic rock and roll move where we're hammering from the minor third to the major third. So you're going to have to employ your little finger here because you're still holding that D5 open position power chord. So you get this. To finish off, you do a little quarter tone curl, bluesy curl on that minor third again. So you get... Put that whole first section together. Okay, then we go around again, we play the same figure one more time. And the final time we just resolve to that D5 power chord.